Hey, good morning. It's Mark Weiss. I read about Southwest Airlines and its business strategy during COVID. All of the competitors, the competitive airlines are, in deep shit trouble, borrowing money to stay afloat, thinking about how to survive. Yet Southwest, for months, has apparently been sending out scouts, looking at cities, the business that goes on there, the draw of those communities in order to expand their network of destinations to which they fly. In essence, they've used COVID as an opportunity to grow their business. They're playing to win. They're not playing simply to survive. So, of course, there's an analogy here. Many medical groups are simply playing that strategy to survive. They're protecting what they have. They're protecting their referral sources. They're protecting their contracted facilities for hospital-based groups. But how many are actually using your competitors' bad luck to expand, to take what they have, to develop new facilities, to develop new opportunities? Don't fall prey to an expanded sense of the colleague's disease, where there's something abhorrent about taking someone else's opportunities. That's what business growth is about. Grow your business, grow your top line. Don't just protect what you have, or you might find out that you don't have it any longer.